What is Modern Machine Shop all about? What's their mission? What are they trying to say? What have they always been trying to say? And so just to incorporate 90 years of technology on one piece of paper, and one design, that's a lot. That's a big period of time. There's a whole lot within that period of time. Just the imagery itself was just killer. I mean, we started looking through these magazines, and it's like these cool old images of machines and parts, and just this really like visually interesting and engaging, and just kind of right up our alley. I kind of got geeked out on it, and I'm not even in that industry, and so I could see how someone running a machine shop or working at a shop could really dig into the pages of that magazine. And I think part of the reason why we're so excited is because it's so similar to what we do. People making things out of raw materials and manipulating metal and using machines and using our hands and making stuff. That really resonated with us because that's, in a lot of ways, is kind of what we do here. We're designers and we're creating artwork, but we're also translating that artwork onto physical paper with ink, using physical objects and presses and things with our hands. At the end of the day, it is just people like ourselves that are creating something from nothing. I think, again, that's why this project was so fun for us, because it's really like creating something for kind of people like us, people that are also making things. And you have the finished piece.